So now I've cast that way, hopefully it should be all right. Oh, got a bite already, look. That was worth moving, wasn't it? It's literally been in the water a minute. Welcome back everybody, welcome back to the channel, and welcome back to my favourite river, the amazing River Hamble. I'm hoping it's going to be amazing today and give me a load of bass. We've got, I was going to go to a beach. I was thinking about I was going to drop my nipper at work and then go and fish cow shot or somewhere around Leap or something, but my Achilles is gone, so I can't really walk on the stones at the moment. It's not gone, but it will do if I walk on stones. So I have to be a bit careful. The missus dropped me up just around the corner there, so I didn't have far to walk from the car. Right, I'm gonna get set up. I've got one rod in already, but I'm gonna get this one all set up, and then I'll bring it back and show you what bait we got. Got something a little bit different. Right, I've got one rod in. That's got a dingle dongle rig with chunk of bacon on that, and this one is pulley rig with cutler rag tipped off with a bit of bacon fat. I'm not gonna use flappers or anything today because I want to try and minimise the school bass, because every time I come here I seem to get loads. Well, not loads, but they're definitely there, if you know what I mean. Not casting far, not going to bother clipping it down because, as you can see, there's plenty of boats in the way, so we ain't got to lob it far. Just a little flick. We've got that rod's over that direction. This one I'm just going to put just before that pontoon. I'm going to bring the rods down, keep them a bit lower, just because try and keep it out of the wind a little bit. Right. Right, that's a bit better. Right, bait wise we got, I'll show you. So in there I've got on my rag. I think it's just under a tenner's worth because I've used a few, but and then we've got some bacon, another pack of bacon, and in there we've got all this. I'm going to chop all this up apart from that one. I'm going to keep that one in case I need them for bait. In there we're going to chop all that up and just keep ground baiting. Yeah, in here we've basically, I've got anything that was in the freezer that's been frozen a few times. So I've got bacon that was left in the fridge too long, mackerel that's been frozen and defrosted. So I don't know if it's going to make it. It's got to make a difference, isn't it? Because it's more smell in the water. So probably going to pull the crabs over. That's all that'll do. Right. There's my bucket of sludge. Right, I'm going to just get a little bit out. I'm not going to throw it far because I haven't cast far. Tide's coming in, so maybe I should have gone down there a little bit more. I don't know. Live and learn, don't you? Put a bit right down there. It's a bit more sheltered there, so hopefully it might stay there a bit longer. Well, the bait's not been touched by crabs, so that's good. Try 4 ounce, see if that makes enough difference. So I don't think the wind's helping because it's blowing straight across us here. I'll just try and lower this one down a little bit. There was a lad here a few weeks back and he had a £7 bass off here. Well, just a little bit further up, but caught it on bacon. Nice big chunk of bacon. That's why we got bacon today. Oh, I'm gonna have to move that left hand rod. I'm gonna flick it out that way because the tide's going. Try and get it up tide a little bit. Down tide, sorry. Yeah, because the tide's going that way, it's put the lead's not heavy enough, and I don't really want to put a big heavy lead on. So now I've cast that way, hopefully it should be alright. Oh, got a bite already, look. That was worth moving, wasn't it? It's literally been in the water a minute. Don't think he's on there. Oh, I'm just going to reel it in. Just, oh, that's got a bit of weed on there, I reckon. Oh, that wind's picking up a treat. That rod was only in there a minute and before I got that bite, so hopefully we might get another one reasonably soon. I always have, I think I've said before, but I always have different colour lines on my reels, so when I've got flappers and big baits on, I can remember which one it is. Orange is flappers and the yellow is the big baits, because I'll just keep forgetting things. And then I'll go to reel here and thinking, oh, the big bait's been out there half an hour and reels the wrong one in. That's why I keep forgetting to catch fish, see? It's not my fault. All right, that's gone out quite a bit further, that one. So I'm hoping, like I say, that the weeds dropped off. And if it has, if I don't bring any on it next time, then I'll send the other one out there. Not really been out for a couple of weeks, but no, I've been out. I just had a couple of sessions without filming. Sometimes you just want to go fishing, don't you? Had a couple, few schoolies over there on lures, but it's typical. The time I caught them, I didn't have my camera, and then my net was getting into freshwater fishing, so we've had a couple of sessions up the river. Didn't really catch a lot. He caught a few minnows. I didn't do the first time, so I didn't have a license, but I'm getting one now. So I think we're going out tomorrow. I'm going to take him to a lake. He wants to try method feeding. Oh, we got a bite. Bite on the dongle. think he's done it again. Can't work it out. It's like 4 or 5 bites we've had, and they're just doing me every time. Got 4 ounce lead on. I thought that would have been heavy enough. Right, change the plan of attack this time. We've got come on. Well, we've got mackerel and bacon wrap. I've put a bigger lead on. I'm wondering if the fish had taken the hook, but the lead's not big enough. I had that problem over there, but that was with like a 2 ounce lead. So these were 4s. I've got a bigger lead. I think it's a 6. No, it's a 5. It's got a gripper. Right, that's that one. Bring these in, pulley rig. Well, that's not really been touched. It's not that one ain't been touched. I'm just going to load this up with ragrams, get rid of them. Alright, just put a cut of juicy looking rag on this one. Change the lead again. Yeah, it doesn't look like we're going to have much luck, does it? I thought it was going to be alright today, you know. Nice and overcast, not too hot. Loads of bait. I thought we was going to get one, but the only thing I can think is it's got the reason we're not hooked into any. It's got to be the hooks were too big for the fish that were biting in it, or the leads were too light. I've changed the hooks, I've changed the leads, so hopefully if we get another bite we might hook into this one. Right, I'm running out of time now, that's for sure. Right, I'll bring you back in a little bit. Right, it's time to start packing up now. It's not been a very successful day for the fish, but I had one. I'll put a picture of him in. He was only tiny, so he's not really worth making a fuss. There was a bloke fishing, fly fishing just there. I don't think he was fishing that far out, so I was trying to be really quiet. But yeah, apart from one little school bass, we've had nothing. I thought today was going to be the one. It was a bit windy, but other than that, it looks perfect for a bass, and it feels like there should be some here. Definitely, if you came here, you think there's going to be a few bass in there. You know what I mean? It just looks it. But never mind, it's what it is. Always next time. I'm going on the pond tomorrow with me network. He wants to take him method feeding, method fishing, whatever it is on there. See if we can get a couple little carp. My microphones ran out, so I've had to use the GoPro speaker. So might be a little bit windy. Yeah, I don't think we're going to get anything here anyway, so I'm going to pack it up. What I'll do, I'll show you the path down, because it's a real easy path to walk. Parking the car park up there and it just goes down there, but fish there. Right, until next time, I'm going to film tomorrow with my dad. I'll put that up. I think we're going to end up doing quite a bit of freshwater fishing, so Probably be a few freshwater videos coming up. Right, I'm gonna love you and leave you. Probably gonna get out on my own Tuesday, Monday, Tuesday. Get the lures out and come back here with the lures to try them. Right, that's me out. See you later.